A few minutes drive from the elephant sanctuary, we are now here at Mae Wang River doing bamboo rafting. This is included on the full day visit with Elephant Friends.
Nakaangat yung isang ano.
Mae Wang River itself is well known for clear water, high mountains, and of course, bamboo rafting activities. Most tourists love to go here because they want to feel the new experience of rafting in the middle of natural atmosphere. Let's go enjoy the view!
So you say you got that both hands?
Yeah.
No protection on your phone? Okay.
What's your name? No? No name? Ayun o, ang haba ng ngipin niya.
Hindi yan ngipin.
Ano yan? Ha?
Dad.
Ano yun?
Dad.
Ano nga yun? Ngipin. Ay, pababa! Sungay?
Tusk. I don't know what to, how else to say. T-U-S-K. Tusk.
Dahil. Ayan na yung pababa. Nako, mga cellphone nyo. Tago nyo. Oh, going down, going down. Going down. What is that? The beer. Oh, you have to buy that beer? Oh, wow, wow, wow.
Hindi mo nasugat na siya, oh. Nasugat na yung gilid niya.
Right there. That's our house. That's our house. Oh yeah. That's our house. Ah!
Good friend. Kita ko na yung pain niya. You good, Johan?
Are you okay? That's not. Oh, baka maano ka naman ng susunod, ha? Kabanggaan, guys. Kabanggaan, ay.
Pwede rin nakapaharap.
Nasaktan ba? I wanna go down. Oh my god, sorry. Too heavy.
Action. Ayun na, dito natin.
done. Babangga ka. That's the Tawan restaurant.
After 45 minutes, we are now done bamboo rafting.
Johan! Get up your mom, man.
No, it's okay. Go.
After bamboo rafting,
Yeah,
we are
let's
now
go ahead
heading
and
to
look
the
at
water.
Okay.
There's still some.
I think I want to have a coffee.
This will be the last activity for our full day visit
Tonya,
with
coffee.
elephant friends. But first, we
Tonya.
stop by
Oh,
this
you need to
famous
remove
coffee shop.
No, it's just so.
Okay.
Oh my god!
The waterfall though. It's okay, babe. Wait. Okay.
Be careful, the phone, okay?
For the picnic, we had chicken, pad thai, and lots of fruits.
Oh my god! Where did it come from? Where did it come from? I don't know how to swim.
very happy to be with you guys. Actually, I love English, and I just want to talk to any of tourists who come here.
Yeah, you're really good at it. Huh?
And actually, I got my sponsor from California when I was young. They supported me in school and university in Chiang Mai province. And I was in the orphanage.
The one by the big Buddha?
No, the orphanage in the other province. Yeah, but I mean, I still have my parents, but they don't like they didn't like they couldn't support me in school. So I got a chance to be in the orphanage, and then I just learned more English. Yeah, in the orphanage, and I have met a lot of American people or Western people. So yeah, I practice always, and now I can do better. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for being with me today. Yeah. Now we're going back. I think 2 of you go back to Chiang Mai, and you stay 1 more night, right? Okay. If you need anything, you can ask for the reception. Okay. Make sure that you have everything before you turn to your room, before you go back to Chiang Mai. Okay. Shoes, sunglasses, or everything. Okay. Okay. We go together to the reception, to the resort. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's go.
We stayed for another night and enjoyed our last day here, eat good food, and call it a day. And that's all for the full day visit with Elephant Friends. Hope you enjoyed this adventure with us. Until the next one, guys. Bye.